We are so thrilled, honored, humbled that Condé Nast Traveler has included Bungalow in the list of best new restaurants in the world. For an Indian restaurant in New York City to be honored like this, it's historical, it's a milestone, and we are so grateful. And also, on Sunday, we complete 400 days of Bungalow. So on two big auspicious moments, we'll be giving our guests with this beautiful cardamom we just got from Kerala. This is green cardamom, one of the nature's best spices. And on this Sunday, we'll be giving our guests these beautiful small containers of cardamom on every table. Celebrating every milestone with our guests.